Hey guys, it's us again, and today we're gonna be showing you a baby birdie. It's right there, and it's poor. We don't know what happened to it, but Zach, you might run over another one. It might be over here. Zach, where is Zach? He's gonna make me flip over. It's right there. See it hopping? Zach, God, he drives crazy. He's right there. See him? Oh, he's about to go in this. Alright, let me show you guys. Hold on. Move, Zach. Okay. Stop. I know that, but I want to show them. Punk, move up. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but there's the birdie right there. Move your hand. I don't know if you saw that, but Zach, wait. Oh, he's right there. See him? Now, see how he hops? Now watch. Let him hop, Zach. I'm trying to move. See, he's hopping. And he got one wing. And he's tweeting.
No, that's not him. That's the other bird.
But see, he's trying to get out. We should help him, Zach. See? Poor thing.
He just got out. No.
But my nanny said the mom won't come and get him if we touch it. So,
But we're not going to.
So we're not going to touch it. Because we want it to have a safe home. It's been here for like 2 days now.
No. 5.
About 5. I don't know.
Yeah, 4 because today.
Turn towards the trampoline. Wait, stop. Where's the rooster?
Rooster's are way over there in the coop.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Now. We're coming.
Go into the store in a little bit.
Okay, so bye guys.